What if I told you that you can predict insane price movements like this with only one indicator and resistance boxes? Yes, that's right, I've been using this exact strategy for the past month and making anywhere from 100% to 200% per trade with 30x leverage. The best part, when you win big, but when you lose small. So it works perfectly for someone like me who likes to take on a little gamble. Take a look at this. So this is Ethereum on 1 hour time frame chart. It was happily bouncing around in this resistance box, but once it broke through the resistance box, it went down big. I mean 30% big. And only stopped because it hit this 1 day support level, after which it went up again. Here's the same resistance box, which is now support box, and the same support that we saw before. And once the price broke through this support box, it went up big, 7% big. Another example on smaller scale is this. I noticed a consolidation area here, so I decided to draw a support box right around it. And after the price went down to previous support box, it came out to this support box, after which it broke through it. And as you can see, it broke out quite spectacularly, 5%. Holy jumping fucking Jesus. I just noticed that the price has broke through immensely and I actually entered this trade, so let's go and fucking cash out real fast. Holy shit. I used the exact same strategy right here. I entered the trade right over here where the consolidation was forming. I entered long with 30x. And let's see what my profits are. It's just insane that it's happening right as I'm recording this video, guys. I'm up 100% as you can see. That is insane. And I'm using the exact same strategy that I'm showing you here. I just deleted the last box right here because I wanted to save drawing it for the video. So let's do it right now. This resistance box would look something like this. Or something like this. So I actually entered this trade right about here or somewhere here just before the price dipped massively. And at that point I actually had drawn my resistance box something like this, and now I would redraw to be something like this. But anyways, once the price breaks out, it breaks out huge. I'm actually not going to cash out. I will let it ride. I don't care if it's going to come crashing down. But anyways, guys, I hope you see the point. The strategy works extremely well. No other trading YouTuber in history had this happen to them when they're explaining their strategy, and it works out real time with a real trade. So you can be pretty sure that the strategy works, and please subscribe to the channel to not miss the future videos. But anyways, let's go back to the strategy. How do you actually draw these resistance boxes yourself and how to trade with them? Let's start by removing all drawings so we are left with the chart. Now I was trading on 1 hour time frame, so I want to draw my resistance boxes using 1 day time frame. So whatever time frame you're using for trading, draw your support and resistance boxes on higher time frame. So let's start with some obvious consolidation points we had on the chart, like this, for example, right here. This is a strong consolidation point, and if we ever reach this price point again, it's likely that we will see some consolidation again. So let's go ahead and draw a box around that, just like this. And just as we are drawing out the box, you can see that price did actually respect the upper level of the support or resistance box, whatever you want to call them, and bounced off of it and went higher, right? When you have drawn out these kind of boxes around all the consolidation zones you can find on the chart most recently, next you'll actually have to draw out an actual support line. To do that, just grab a line and draw it like this. And it's okay if the line goes through some charts. You just want to connect as many candles as you can, including the wicks. And as you can see, now we have a support, and this latest candle kind of confirms that this is a support indeed. So now let's go ahead and switch to 1 hour time frame and draw some boxes here as well. I will draw a box right over here over this price range because there was sort of consolidation happening. So I will draw it like this, and as you can see, the price has actually moved in this box and it's having trouble moving through it because it's kind of respecting it. This was area of consolidation which is now being respected. Okay, next we can also draw a box right over here. There was a big consolidation area, and as you can see, as we're drawing this box, this consolidation area falls exactly into it as well, which just proves the whole concept. So now I'm currently in this trade still, as you can see, up $75 or 130%, and if everything goes to plan and we actually break through this resistance box, the price will continue pumping. So how do you actually trade with these consolidation boxes safely? So let's go ahead and take a look how you can enter some trades with this. So this is the first consolidation box that we drew, and to plan for our entries we will actually need stochastic RSI, which I have here as well. For these bigger consolidation boxes, you will see that before price breaks out of any of them, it will kind of consolidate at the upper or lower level. So you can be sure if price is consolidating at the lower level, it's likely to break through. So now that it's been consolidating in this area right over here, we can start looking for some entries, and I do that by using stochastic RSI. If it's consolidating at the bottom, it's likely that it's going to break through, and to plan our entries we're going to look for spikes above 50 RSI. So once the price action breaks through the box and the RSI is not oversold, you can enter a trade. In this exact instance, once the price broke through this box, it was oversold, so it went back in the box, and the next time it broke out, it actually was in the middle of stochastic RSI, as you can see right here. This would be a perfect place to jump in a trade. Let's take a look at some other examples. For example, here, as you can see, this is a consolidation area as well, and once price broke through here, the stochastic RSI was also in the middle, which is a decent time to jump in a trade. Okay guys, that about wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and I feel like I'm the only guy on YouTube who's actually using the strategies he's showing to his subscribers, so I think this video deserves a little like for that.